Hello students. In continuation with the exercise 13.1, surface area and volumes, here I am with the rest of the questions of this exercise. Question number 7. Shanti Sweets stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Two sizes of boxes were required. The bigger of dimensions, the bigger of dimensions 25 centimeter into 20 centimeter into 5 centimeter, and the smaller of dimensions 15 centimeter into 12 centimeter into 5 centimeter. Now 5% of the total surface area is required extra for all the overlap. If the cost of cardboard is ₹4 for 1000 centimeter square, find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. Okay students, hope you have understood the question. Now the length, breadth and height of the bigger box. The bigger box for the bigger box. Length is equal to 25 centimeter, breadth is equal to 20 centimeter and height is equal to 5 centimeter. So surface area of cardboard will be equal to formula 2LB plus PH plus HL. You will get 225 into 20 plus 20 into 5 plus 5 into 25. We will get 500 plus 100 plus 125, which is equal to 2 into 725, which is equal to 1450 centimeter square. This is the surface area of cardboard required for the bigger box. Now, area of sheet. This is for one box. Area of sheet for 250 boxes will be equal to 250 into 1450, which is equal to 362,500 centimeter square. Now, for the smaller box, dimensions are: length is equal to 15 centimeter, breadth is equal to 12 centimeter, and height is equal to 5 centimeter. The surface area of cardboard for smaller box will be equal to 2 LB plus BH plus HL, which is equal to 15 into 12 plus 12 into 5 plus 5 into 15, which is equal to 180 plus 60 plus 75, which is equal to 2 into 315 equal to 630 centimeter square. So this is the surface area of cardboard required for one smaller box. Now for a 250 box, area of sheet will be equal to 250 into 630, which is equal to 157,500 centimeter square. Now total area of sheet required. It is equal to 362500 plus 157,500 centimeter square, which is equal to 520000 centimeter square. Now we know 5% of sheet is required for overlapping. 5% sheet required for overlapping will be equal to 5% of, which is equal to 5 upon 100 into 2 zeros cancelled, and this will be equal to 26,000 centimeter square. The total area of the sheet, including for overlapping sheet, will be equal to 5 to 1 2 3 4 plus 26,000 centimeter square, which is equal to 54,600 centimeter square. Now cost of cardboard. Now we have to find out the cost of cardboard. The cost of cardboard at the rate of ₹4 for 1000 centimeter square will be equal to 546,000 into 4 upon 1000, which is equal to ₹2184. This is the answer. Now coming to question number 8. Parveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that covers all the four sides and the top of the car, with the front face as a flap which can be rolled up, which can be rolled up. Now, assuming that the stitching margins are very small and therefore negligible. Negligible means we can leave them. How much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter with base dimensions 4 meter into 3 meter. This is the question. Now coming to its solution. We know the dimensions of base is equal to 4 meter into 3 meter, means we can say length is 4 meter and breadth is 3 meter, and height is given 2.5 meter. Now car is to be, this house is made for the car, that means the floor is not there. So we will calculate the area of the four walls and we will add the ceiling, that is the top, to that area. The area of the tarpaulin required for the shelter of car is equal to surface area of 4 sides plus area of top. Now surface area of 4 sides will be given by the formula 2L plus B into H plus L into B. Here L is equal to 4, B is equal to 3 and H is equal to 2.5. Okay, substitutes the value. L plus B, that is 4 plus 3 into height, that is 2.5 plus L into B means 4 into 3. So this will be 2 into 7 into 2.5 plus 12, and this will be equal to 2.5 into 2, 5 into 7, 35 plus 12, which is equal to 47 meter square. So this is the end of the exercise. We'll meet with the next exercise in our next lecture. Thank you.